Jeez. I want to test something. Stay on this voice thing because I've got about oh, now it's 23 minutes. Um, I want to test something out. I want to see if my sorry, my voice changes with this thing that came with the Logitech software.
You've been trying to try that out.
Yeah, so let me know if anything changes. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Oh wow.
How about now?
Oh my god. You're gonna hear yourself laughing, it's hilarious. No.
Okay, I'm gonna go to
Boy.
a giant voice now. I'm currently a troll.
Now I'm a giant.
Oh my god, hey? That's actually terrifying.
Okay, and I'm gonna go. I know, and it will be fun to troll like that.
The giant one does sound deranged. It's more demonic than anything else. Colin. No, that I couldn't hear what word you're saying if you're saying anything. Very robotic, Mr. Roboto. Da 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 da.
And how about mutant?
You sound like a turret from Portal.
Are you still there?
Please don't kill me.
Okay, and now it's a squirrel, but the squirrel sounds like a chipmunk. Like this.
Say something? Oh my gosh, okay, that sounds like a chipmunk.
Right? It does sound like a chipmunk. So that is like the voice options I have available. And can you imagine if we play something like Left 4 Dead, how confused they would be?
Oh, I totally can.
Which one sounded funniest?
Between the giant and the
Hey.
chipmunk.
Okay, so the chipmunk, you adjust voice pitch. So I'm gonna go chipmunk and see if I can go low and see how disturbing that sounds.
Okay.
That's on a high pitch right now.
Let's try go low. That's higher.
Okay, so I'm gonna go low now. How's this?
You sound like a child.
No! Stop being real!
You sound like an actual child.
And now? What does this sound like?
Even more childlike. But like someone
Oh,
whose
for
balls
fuck's
need to
sakes.
drop. Desperately. And the laugh as well.
So the giant works.
The giant is terrifying. You sound like me. With a cold.
Hi, my name is Mike, and this is my channel.
Yeah, no, it sounds a little like me. Just a little. But laughing when you're a giant is also, that's just terrifying.
Echo, sorry.
That's terrifying. Jesus Christ, that is terrifying.
And troll? I just want to figure out which one is weird enough.
Troll trumps chipmunk.
So...
It sounds like you're on helium as a troll.
I accidentally very high.
Yeah, it definitely sounds like you're on helium.
Okay, and this?
That's a really deep helium-ish voice. That sounds like you've swallowed the balloon. What? That's deranged. So you just
That
do
was
this on the
just
fly
weird.
with the software?
I have the Oh god, that is terrifying. I found the voice preview button.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna stop playing with it. Never mind.
That's intense. I'm not gonna lie. It sounds amazing.
Okay, and you can download even more apparently, but I'm not gonna do that.
Oh, wow. Okay.
How many minutes do I have left? I'm just fooling around right now. Have you eaten?
No, Chris is MIA, so I don't know where the hell he is. So I'll get something to eat a little bit later with him.